just quickly putting up the last course on ready for the wall plate. So what we've had to do is measure out our desired height, which is 2 meters on this case, up to the top of wall plate. So what we've had to do then is take off the 55 mil, 55 mil. So you've got 45 mil timber, 45 to 47, take off 10 mil, so 55. And then we've lowered down accordingly to get to our desired height. So we've been left with, I think it's 85, is it 85 parts in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 85 mil cuts on the thermalites, which we're just running in now. Run these in now, and then I'm going to put the wall plate on, which we're going to half lap the joint on the timber, which will show you. Get the wall plate up today, then we carry on with the roof tomorrow, and then I'll carry on with the brickwork.
So tell me what you need. I'm unchained, unfazed, and unwilling. It's a new day, new world, we all winning. I'm up late, up early, I gotta get it. Keep working, now we gotta make a million. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. I know you could do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Wake up, I'm on to the next. New day, I gotta do my best. Every day I put the work in. The grind never stop, you ain't never see me rest. See me on top, I never fall. I speak my truth and turn it to law. Do it for the drive, you know it's really my passion. Never gonna stop me, really I'll make it happen. I gotta get up and grab it. The money want me to have it. What more could I say? I'm top billing. I grew from the dirt, guess I had to make a million. I grew up, I swear I rose from the valley. Every day I put the work in, I gotta keep a tally on beat. Pockets stay heavy, when you see me don't leech. Falling days in the streets, had homies in the struggle. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you.
But I'm just going to show you the easiest way to get the muck on the trowel ready for pointing in. Okay, so when you're jointing up, so what you do, get some muck, lift it and drop it a couple of times, flick it, okay, clean off the edges, take off the end bit, and then what you do then is you're pushing it down into the trowel as you're lifting it, so it's like that motion, okay, so you show like that, okay, and then you joint up where you need to required. You just keep doing that as you go along. Okay, so that is the easiest way to do it. So literally, like I said, you're brushing it down. You see that? Brushing down and into it like that.